Virtual reality training for firefighters. Virtual reality training for firefighters can significantly enhance their skills and preparedness in dealing with emergency situations. One key aspect of this training is the effective handling of equipment and tools in a VR environment. In this tutorial, we will explore the various techniques and best practices for handling equipment and tools in virtual reality for firefighter training. Before diving into handling equipment and tools in virtual reality, it is crucial to be familiar with the virtual reality environment. VR simulations may involve wearing a VR headset and using handheld controllers to interact with objects. Ensure that you have a basic understanding of how to navigate in VR, interact with objects, and manipulate the controllers. In a VR training scenario, equipment and tools may be represented virtually. These objects will be identified using visual cues and may differ from their real-life counterparts. Take the time to familiarize yourself with the virtual representations of the equipment and tools you will encounter during training. Virtual reality offers various ways to interact with objects. Hand gestures such as pinching, pointing, grabbing, and releasing can be used to manipulate virtual equipment and tools. Practice these gestures to ensure precise control and avoid accidental interactions. When handling equipment and tools in VR, you will need to learn how to grip and manipulate virtual objects effectively. The controllers usually have buttons or triggers to simulate gripping actions. Experiment with different ways of gripping objects and ensure you have a firm grasp before attempting any actions. In virtual reality, equipment and tools can perform various interactions and operations. For example, a fire hose may need to be connected to a hydrant, or a fire extinguisher may need to be activated. Familiarize yourself with the specific interactions and operations associated with the equipment and tools you will be using in the VR training scenarios. Firefighters often need to handle multiple pieces of equipment simultaneously. In VR training, this can be simulated by managing virtual equipment and tools concurrently. Practice multitasking by performing various tasks simultaneously, such as carrying a fire extinguisher while using a radio or conducting a search operation. While handling equipment and tools in virtual reality, it is essential to maintain safety awareness. Even though VR scenarios are simulated, it is crucial to exercise caution and follow safety protocols. Avoid swinging or thrashing virtual tools uncontrollably to prevent accidental injuries or collisions with real-world objects. Virtual reality environments can simulate various hazardous scenarios, replicating different fire emergency situations and locations. Test your equipment handling skills in different virtual environments to gain experience and adaptability to various scenarios. Take advantage of any provided feedback or assessment systems within the VR training program. Engage in self-analysis and review evaluations of your equipment handling performance. Pay attention to areas that may need improvement, such as grip stability, speed, accuracy, or coordination. Handling equipment and tools in virtual reality is a skill that can be enhanced with regular training and practice. Dedicate time to refine your virtual reality equipment handling skills regularly. Aim for fluidity, efficiency, and precision in your actions. Remember, virtual reality training for firefighters is designed to enhance real-world skills and ensure preparedness for emergency situations. Properly mastering the handling of equipment and tools in a virtual environment will contribute to better performance and decision-making during real-life firefighting scenarios.